opening these things up. Anyway, we'll get this other lot of plastic off. What I can tell you straight away is that the box, as you can probably tell, is very high quality. This is not a cheap box that it's packaged in. Maybe that's why V-mount batteries are so expensive. Anyway, we'll open it up. So yeah, again, the box, quality of the box. So in the first package, we have some instructions for your V-mount battery, telling you how to use a battery, of course. We all know what to do with instructions, but don't copy me. Actually read them yourself if you're not familiar. Anyway, we'll close that back up and set that over here. And we'll get the battery out now. And let's just see if there's anything else in the box here. Yes, there is. So we have a D-tap cable. There you go. So it comes with a D-tap cable. Okay, that's all. There's nothing else, no other mounts or anything. But anyway, okay. So we'll get the actual battery out. We'll have a look at it. Get rid of the plastic. And it comes with a screen protector, and that's probably not unreasonable. It has got some marks on there. So on the side, the first one we've got is, okay, USB ports. Another outlet on that side. Some more outlets on the top, 8 and 12 volt. So you've got DC out on the top. So you've got quite a few outlet options on this battery. I am going to also use it as a battery bank. But here we've got the USB-C, so you'll charge it through USB-C. It's also got a USB-A, but that USB-A looks like it's probably a 20 watt or so, but you can look up the specifications. But the other one is PD output. It's output and input. Now the screen, okay, it actually comes with, it has a bit of charge in it. Try and get this in focus. Come on. Okay. Come on, camera, cooperate. There you go. So it's showing half charge, and you can see it's got the voltages there. So it's showing you the voltage for each different outlet. That can be quite handy. I believe it'll also show the current once it's drawing, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, it looks like quite a well-built unit. The size is reasonable. I'll just plug this in and we'll have a look, see what happens, see what sort of readout we get when I plug it in to charge my phone. So my phone will take a fair amount of current. Anyway, here we go. So there you go. You can see USB-C. It's showing you the voltage from the PD. So the voltage is going up. Let's see if it shows anything else. Probably not. Yeah. Anyway, not too much else to say there, I don't think. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, the battery looks like quite a good quality battery. I'll put some links in the description. If you got any value from the video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.